Hello, this is Joan of Art, and here I am with my farm look, tousled hair, and everything. Welcome to another edition of your Ilonggo tutorial. More Ilonggo words relevant to the COVID season is, okay, mask, but we don't have an Ilonggo word for mask, especially the surgical masks that we wear for covering. And since the mask serves as a protective covering, we can probably call it as tabon. Tabon means cover. So that's just about the nearest thing that I can give a word for mask. We do have a word for mask like mascara, taken from the Spanish mascara, but it's more of a festive mask with a face and smiles and painted faces, like our Bacolod Mascara Festival, a mask festival, but not in the sense to cover your nose, your mouth for protection. So that's tabon. Unfortunately, Ilonggo is not a really highly evolved language. It's in fact a dialect, one of the many dialects in the Philippine language. We actually have 8 major dialects. Let's see if I can remember. Bicol, Bicolano, Cebuano, Kapampangan, Waray, um, Ilonggo, of course. Uh, oh, where are the 3 other major major. I'll just list them here. Ilocano, of course. I'm not sure about Pangasinan, but yes, that's another dialect. So our channel is specifically serving those who would like to learn Ilonggo. And of course, to really learn Ilonggo is to be immersed in Ilonggo culture and to be physically actually like born here, because there is no formal Ilonggo lessons. And since I've been doing this video tutorial, there is really, for me, there is no, it's not like structured enough that's easy to teach. So you really have to be immersed in it. Of course, vocabulary is a good thing. So the more you know about vocabulary, Ilonggo vocabulary, and knowing the basic structure like past tense, present tense, and the what do you call this? The present continuous participle. So I'm not an expert on that either. So what I know is teaching Ilonggo conversationally. Okay, so other than masks, what do we have? Alcohol. We also don't have a word for alcohol, although Negros, this province is the #1 producer of alcohol because we have tons and tons and tons of sugarcane. That's where alcohol is coming from. But we don't have a word for alcohol, so we still call it alcohol. Alcohol as a sanitizer, that's alcohol. Alcohol as an alcoholic drink, it's alak. Yeah, an alcoholic drink. But for alcohol, it's just alcohol. Of course, one of the ways to beat COVID-19 is sunlight, vitamin D, and lots of exercise. We don't have a word for exercise either. We just call it pabalhas. So to sweat out, because balhas means sweat. So pabalhas, that's to sweat out. That's our word for exercise. Or maybe pangabudlay, or because budlay means difficult. So to make things difficult, or maybe to apply labor, because labor is budlay. So that's pangabudlay, labor, or to get physical, to do some physical labor. So that's exercise. So there you are, just a few words to increase your vocabulary, Ilonggo vocabulary, which is also pertinent these days, considering that we are facing this pandemic and everybody all over the world is experiencing this unprecedented happening. Wow. So, okay. Where's Yuli? Yuli! Yuli! I want to introduce you to Yuli. Come here, Yuli. Come here. So, Yuli is another dog of mine. She's there. Yuli! Come on. Isn't she sweet? So this is Yuli. Unlike Mamba, who's a ball of energy, Yuli she's 3 years old. So she's a lot calmer now. I don't know if she has any idea that she's on YouTube now. But this is Yuli. She's so sweet. And she's pretty. She's got a few fans on Facebook. That's a surprise. I didn't know that she would gain some fans. But that's Yuli for you. Yuli, say hi. Say hi. Ah, maybe next time. So, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye for now. Yuli! Yuli!